Selenium for Beginners with Rex Jones II. Closed captioning is available for you. Switch CC on or off.
The first thing I am going to do is show you how it looks when Javadoc and source code is not available. For starters, let's hover over the WebDriver class and notice how the note states this element neither has attached source nor attached Javadoc, and hence no Javadoc could be found. We see another note. If we click the icon for opening an attached Javadoc in a browser, it's letting us know Javadoc has not been configured. If we open Declaration, Source Not Found shows up under Class File Editor. Even the methods do not show any information. Let's start by attaching the source code. There are two ways to attach a source. The first way is to navigate to Build Path, then configure Build Path. Under the Libraries tab, expand Class Path, then expand Client Combined 3.9.0 jar. We see source attachment and Javadoc location display none. Select source attachment, click Edit, select external location, then click the external file button. After clicking the external file button, we locate the sources jar file. Click Open, click OK, then click the Apply and Close button. Now, watch what happens when we hover over WebDriver. We see a description of WebDriver. Open Declaration displays the source code for WebDriver. A description also shows up for the close method. When it comes to Javadoc, we have to get the URL from Selenium's website, then configure the build path. Scroll down to the Selenium client and WebDriver language binding section. Right-click Javadoc, then open in a new tab. Copy the URL and go back to Eclipse. Let's configure the build path. Select Javadoc location, then click Edit. We paste the URL, remove index.html. Click the Validate button just to confirm the location is valid. Click OK 2 times, then click the Apply and Close button. Now look what happens when we open attached Javadoc in a browser. The description for Selenium's WebDrivers class and methods will show up if we attach source code or Javadoc. That's why the previous note stated this element neither has attached source nor attached Javadoc. If I remove the source code, a description still shows up because Javadoc has been attached. I am going to remove the source code and show you the second way to attach source code. Let's go back to Build Path. Select Source Attachment, click Remove, then click Apply and Close. We see description is still available for WebDriver and close. That's because we attach the Javadoc. The other way to attach a source is through Open Declaration. Select Open Declaration, then click Attach Source button. Although this is a different way to attach the source code, it's still the same dialog we saw when going through Build Path. Select External Location, click the External File button, select the Sources Jar file, and click OK. Here's the source code. I believe having a description of the class and its methods within Eclipse are helpful when you want to read about the class and its methods. Thank you for watching how to attach Javadoc and source code for Selenium.
Online courses coming soon. Books available in paperback, ebook, and PDF. All Part 1 ebooks and PDF documents are free. Programming books for UFT. Programming books for Java. Here's the Selenium automation book. And TestNG. Subscribe to get notification of future videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.